Why didn't I know from the very start? Oh, you left me here just to fall apart. If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had a chance? If I wrote you a letter,
a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under.